So today I'm going to visit the Hopetown Darlington Railway Museum. Okay, it's recently reopened, so let's go and have a look and see what's actually in there. Stick around for some more drone footage towards the end of the video and some fab photos of the place. So let's go and have a look at the North Road Station Museum, see what we find in there. Hey there, is that alright? So this is obviously a passenger train, and it's also the only one of its class to have survived preservation. As we can see, there's a viewing gallery, okay, and I think that may be for the new steam engines that they are building. So here is the Carriage works that we're going to have a quick look into. I'm trying to remember if this building here was where the tornado was built. I'm trying to remember. Carriage works. So the stores is actually about a lot of paraphernalia that they've accumulated over time, and it's just somewhere to store it and for people to have a look at it and see what's on. Here we have a railway model, Stockton Darlington Railway. Obviously you can see this is a Bristleton incline, okay, where it's towed up by static engines. Okay, and then we hit the Shildon. Then moving along from Shildon, you see you've got the coal drops there. Yeah, heading on towards kind of Hopetown area. Obviously, if you're coming with children, well, I'm sure they're going to be pretty busy on this. So, my conclusion is this is definitely a place to visit. It's free to gain entry, okay? Not everything is open just at the moment. It's been funded by lots of different organisations, including Levelling Up, the National Lottery. Okay, no doubt the 200th year railway celebrations will have had some sort of input, the council. Okay, absolutely fantastic place to visit. Really, really interactive and great for kids. I'm really quite impressed with it, and to be fair, I am going to revisit this. Okay, once it's all fully open and complete. Okay, yet to be finished is this kind of immersion experience, and also access to the viewing areas of where they're building new steam engines and this, that and the other by the people that built the tornado. Okay, so what a great place to be. And that is Hopetown Darlington.